I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Canva to Google Drive. This integration streamlines your workflow, making it simple to save and access your creative projects. First, open the Canva design you wish to save. Then, locate the Share button in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select More to reveal additional sharing destinations. After clicking More, a new window will display many integration choices. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Google Drive. Once you locate it, click on the Google Drive icon. You will then be prompted to authorize Canva to connect with your Google Drive account. This is a crucial step, ensuring a secure and seamless transfer of your designs. With authorization complete, you can now select where your design will be saved. A window will appear, allowing you to browse your Google Drive folders. Choose the desired destination for your Canva project. Next, give your file a clear and descriptive name so it is easy to find later. Finally, click the Save button to upload your design directly to your chosen Google Drive folder. Connecting Canva to Google Drive offers several significant advantages. You can access your designs from any device, anywhere, as long as you have Google Drive. This integration also simplifies sharing projects with team members, fostering efficient collaboration. Ultimately, it helps you keep all your creative assets neatly organized in one central, accessible location, saving you valuable time and effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.